Hello everyone, welcome to EA Home Design. Thanks for joining. Today's episode we will know 10 latest wardrobe designs ideas for bedrooms, so let's start today's episode. This video takes you through 10 of the latest wardrobe designs for bedrooms. From sliding doors and mirrored almiras, to inbuilt cupboards and walk-in wardrobes, this is your one-stop destination for wardrobe inspiration. Number 1. Fitted wardrobe design in a deep and bold color. Why we picked this? Because if there's any color in this bedroom, it's on that sturdy wardrobe. Besides this, we love the fitted floor-to-ceiling design, as well as the clean and well-defined compartments. What do you think? Number 2. Black wardrobe design with dark reflective glass. Why we picked this? Since we're on the subject of bedroom wardrobe colors, we're also crushing on this all-black piece with dark reflective glass to boot. Isn't it amazing that a unique wardrobe design like this stands so beautifully in an Indian bedroom setup? We definitely think so. Number 3. Wooden wardrobe design with a chevron pattern. Why we picked this? For that contemporary chevron pattern that works beautifully in modern Indian apartments. Wood, as a material, gives you the option of self-design, and you can choose between different patterns and grains to amp up the look of a simple wooden cupboard. We also love how a simple drawer-cum-platform with a stylish mirror for company fits into that niche to function as a dresser. Number 4. All-mirror Almira with long pull handles. Why we picked this? For the out-and-out mirror finish that has been given to this wardrobe. What else? Well, you don't need a dresser in this room, and the space seems larger, thanks to the mirrors. Besides, that's one classy wardrobe idea if you're looking to infuse some luxe appeal into your room. Number 5. Almira with a single, full-length mirror. Why we picked this? If you don't want an out-and-out mirror design like the previous option, this is one of your best bets. This oak Almira accommodates a single full-length mirror, so you still don't need a dresser. Isn't that a very stylish and contemporary combination of wood and mirror? Number 6. White cupboard with mirrored lattice work. Why we picked this? It's funky yet elegant, simple yet detailed. Such a wardrobe design works as much for your little girl's bedroom as it does for your room, only that the design of the rest of the room needs to be worked out accordingly. Number 7. Full wall wardrobe design. Why we picked this? For its minimal and unassuming design. This way, you can create ample storage without allowing the cupboard to overpower the rest of the room. So not only is this a smart design idea, but it also is an aesthetic one, thanks to the light wooden grains and the golden piping along the doors. Number 8. Wall Almira design around a window. Why we picked this? Don't want to waste an entire wall on your cupboards when you could use it as an accent wall instead. Well, you don't have to. This cupboard design has been constructed around a window, which makes it one of our favorites. What's more, they threw in a window seat too. Ah, perfect. Number 9. Glossy modular wardrobe with an inbuilt dressing table. Why we picked this? In most cases, we worry about aligning all the elements in a room, so that the room looks elegant. However, this design brings the cupboard and the dressing table together in a cohesive manner, with the help of a single attractive color and a glossy finish. Having an inbuilt dressing table not only adds more function to an Almira, but it also works best for a small room, where floor space is precious and limited. Number 10. Almira with an attached dressing table. Why we picked this? If you want to go in for smaller cupboards in your bedroom, a design like this where the dressing table is attached to the larger framework is a functional and creative option. The key to making this design work is to opt for a decorative pattern on the cupboard and match it with the knobs or handles of the dressing table. Today our episode so far. If you like our video, then please like, comment and subscribe. And EA Home Design is always by your side to decorate your home and make any changes.